Yes, it is Dream Girl! Yes, you'll have to. Yes. Yes. From now onwards, I'm going to be. स्क्रीन नहीं दिखेगी, मैं सारी स्क्रीन कवर कर लेता हूँ. Nusrat, you and I are the only two people in this room that don't have a bad angle. You because you're pretty and me because I don't have an angle. I'm just... But, you know, amazing movie. It's done so well. You know, if you ever had to know that the guy you're dating, say suppose it was me, who turned out to be something else that he wasn't claiming to be. तो कैसा real life में कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि तुम तो ये ना थे?
नहीं यार, real life में जैसे आप उनसे पूछ रहे थे, मेरा वो खाता नहीं खुला. Because I'm single, you know, since a while. Let me just credit that to Pyar Ka Panchnama, because everybody genuinely believes I'm that girl. I'm amazed how they don't realize we're actors. Like, my question is, if I play a murderer in the next film, will I really become a murderer? But well, I'll just let you all decide. So, okay, Dream Girl, back to this. I'm really happy that Dream Girl was conceptualized, written. I think we don't give enough credit to people who come up with these new stories. Yes. And the fact that this film is done this well, and every single actor on this film agreed to do it because it's an ensemble film and it's Ayushman's film. Let me just say that out there and clear. And that was the first question somebody asked me in a press con. And I said, if we're always going to keep thinking like that, these films will never get actually made. So I think it's them who conceptualized it, and every single actor on this film who said, we want to do this, and Ekta, and I'm glad we are here now. Like, I thought it was just starting to stream, it already won an award. So thank you guys. Really, thank you.
Thank you. You're looking dapper as ever, and just because...
That was for him. Come on, pick another line.
Okay, you're looking so like drop dead gorgeous.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The one thing that you should know is I'm Manglik, because this is for the future. We shouldn't start off on a wrong note. But you are amazing. You are so talented, and I hope you reach newer heights in 2020. All the best and well done. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take the mic. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Nusrat. इसके पहले कि हम आगे की कैटेगरीज के लिए थोड़ा सा आगे जाएं,
आप लोगों से सवाल पूछना बंद करोगे क्योंकि मेरे लिए कोई सवाल बचेगा ही नहीं। तो जो भी ये लोग बोलेंगे हम कर लेंगे।
माइक बंद कर देना भाई।
जैसे सबके लिए होता है ना, खाना दाना पानी, हमारे लिए सवाल जवाब होता है। जब तक 2-3 सवाल नहीं पूछो किसी से, तब तक चैन नहीं आता।
Yes, and इतने साल से आप ये कर रहे हैं, you're the most experienced out there, you're just amazing, and why don't you begin with fire chats? अब पहले आपके गेस्ट कौन हैं आपके साथ?
The beautiful and the very charming Nusrat. She's lovely. I like her. Come. You'll sit there? Any angle is okay for you. This is Aparna's.
By the way, do not forget, रंगबाज फिर से का ट्रेलर देखा आप लोगों ने? वो जिमी शेरगिल ऐसे चल के आते हैं तो वहीं पे डर लग गया मुझे। चुपचाप लाइक कर दिया मैंने ट्रेलर को। Congratulations. Stay back for a word, please. Sure. I mean, you know, Rangbaz is a great journey. It's, you know, it's like full tashan wala, and it must be like quite cool to be associated with something like that.
Yeah, especially making my debut with such a series. It was a great opportunity. The entire Z5 team, Tarun sir, Nidhi, Maithili, the marketing team, Mehek, Anuya, thanks guys.
Oh, sweet. You should be like in a showcase as a teddy bear, like you and me both. But you are like amazing, most talented, and what can we expect from the second part of this amazing series?
The second season has dropped today, and it's amazing. A very close friend of mine has directed it. It's gonna be, if you enjoyed the first one, the second one is gonna knock it out of the park.
What's up? What's up? Big round of applause for Rangbaz and team. The category here, we have the November category still to be displayed, and the nominees are आप वाकई you are the best person to do this. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yep. What I want to ask you is the one question that everybody must be asking you. Account खुला क्या?
Account नहीं यार, season 2 का wait कर रहे हैं.
Season 2 का wait कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I think yeah, I'm so glad to receive this. And this is from the behalf of the entire team, the writers, especially.
You know what I want to ask you is when they approached you and they said that you'd be playing this guy, तो आपने उनको बोला तुम्हें देख के लगता है कि मैं मतलब why me? मैं तो बड़ा ही.
I think I'm pretty serious on your answer on your question. I think that's a job of an actor.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm glad that they.
And what a fab job you've done. You've really outdone yourself. And many congratulations and a great.
I don't know whether this mic is working.
The mic is no. The mic is just has a personal party. Yeah. So thank you.
I'm still acting with the mic.
Thank you so much. Thank you to your entire team and crew. Virgin Bhaskar. We still have a lot of awards going. Another 2 categories is the most viewed movie. The continuing category के nominees are. तुम लोग ने देख लिया था क्या पहले? Yes, it is Uri. Okay, we're going to be sending the awards to Uri's office and the people of Uri. Congratulations. Fun fact about Uri: I was supposed to be in the movie. I was supposed to be the punching bag that Vicky Kaushal practices on, but that was edited. I got paid. Thank you. The next category of most viewed movie November, and the nominees are as follows.
I am not so savvy about how to shift the channels from the regular ones and watch it. So I grumbled and complained, and then some young girl from ZEE5 came and showed me how to do it. So that's why the first thing I watched on ZEE5 was, the first channel I watched was ZEE5. The first film I watched was also a ZEE5, which was The Sholay Girl. After that, Karanjit Kaur. After that, Diya Mirza's Kafir. So what's happened is, in the office, they believe that earlier people spoke about what they were watching on the television. I'm very flattered to do this ZEE5, or to do this hi-fi on ZEE5, and on that I'll give you a high-five. Let's do it. Nushrat, you know, this is... technology is a wonderful thing, because the best thing about technology is that it offers options. In the olden days, when probably you were not born, it was just the big screen. Slowly the small screen came, and now it's gone even smaller because it's into digital space. It's your private own entertainment space. So I'm very curious to know that the first time you watched Dream Girl must have been a private show, a trial show or something, when you must have watched it with the unit. After that, you watched it on the big screen when it was either a premiere or you went to the theatre. And then you got to know that in the month of November, ZEE5 is streaming your film. When did you watch it on that small
I'm going to do that now.
अभी तक देखी नहीं? नहीं. उनको बुरा लगेगा.
Sorry, but ये मैंने बोला है कि मैंने actually मेरी फिल्म एक ही बार देखी है.
Okay.
वो जब स्क्रीनिंग हुई थी. I don't watch my films again. I don't know why. I'm just not able to. But Dream Girl, I'm going to watch for the second time on ZEE5 because it's here and I can. So that's at least that's my commitment to it. And मेरा वहाँ शुरुआत होगी on ZEE5. तो हाँ, it'll happen now.
You know, because Aparna, the program head, was just chatting with me and telling me the kind of numbers the film is generating. 8.9 million. And this is per day. You can clap for yourself. So have you been getting reactions from your friends who are watching, or strangers who are watching and telling you how it feels? Because this is a very, it's a very intimate subject. And when you're watching it on a smaller digital space, the reactions also would be a little different than what you would probably get it on the big screen.
No, 100%, because I think when you're watching a film by your own self, there are things that you want to react to, and it's not like peer pressured by people laughing around you or not. So I guess those are the most organic reactions, and I think people get to know what they like personally more than what's just something you have to laugh at. I feel that's the change maybe that there is. But in Dream Girl, the film came in September, and I still meet people who tell me things that they have. It's as if they've just seen it again, as if they've just heard that joke again. So it's still so fresh and it's still so new for them, and it's amazing to hear that every single time from people, because for us, we shot it for a year, it came out, and it's done. But it's when you hear it from people again and again that I start reliving it again. So for me, that has happened a lot with Dreamgirl. So
I guess that's also the contribution of the technology, because in the olden days the film would release in a theatre and then it would run for a number of weeks and then it was kind of over. But now, because it is streaming on digital space, the film keeps having its life and it's almost evergreen.
Correct,
because
correct.
anybody anywhere could be watching it at any time.
And I think it's the fact that it's going to be on that platform for a while, you know, that it's got a new life there now. Yeah.
Have you watched anything else on the ZEE5 that you like, whether it's a web series or a film?
Not yet. Don't kill me, guys, please.
अच्छा ये mic में कुछ उधर sound आ रहा है ज़्यादा? हाँ, there's some problem on the mic. I don't know.
But they've sold it really well. Like, I've seen every promo of all the shows that are there, and I want to watch 3, 4 already. So you've piqued me, and now I'm going to be a binge consumer on ZEE5.
You know, I just heard you tell Rishi that it's Ayushman's film. But frankly, I feel it's very brave and courageous of you to do this movie for 2 reasons. One, it is a smaller role. You give the space to your hero and say, it's your world, you shine, and I'm there to support you. But more important is the character. She is so generous, she is so much more evolved that she understands that why he does what he does and is willing to accept him without embarrassment, which I think is very both sensitive and intelligent. What was your thought process while you were reading the script or getting a narration? What was going on in your mind?
For me, actually, I have always been this person, and I feel my reason to come into films and doing this is the absolute love I have for it. And that comes from loving the film more than going into role, you know what I mean? So when I hear a film, for me, that is the bigger picture. If I'm enjoying the film, if I love what I'm hearing, then I want to be a part of it. Then for me, the film will take over every other thought. So when they came with Dreamgirl to me, of course they told me what the story was. And in an hour of narration sitting in that office, I said, I want to do this film. I didn't go home, I didn't think about it, I didn't discuss it with anyone. I didn't go back saying that, no, maybe this, maybe that. I said, listen, I was entertained for that 1 hour. It's such a funny film. And how can you not make this? Let's do this now. And I was doing it. So I think I'm very simple that way because my reasons for doing it are simple. So,
and are all your decisions so instinctive and impulsive and immediate?
Not all. But when it comes to acting and films, I think I go there. I go to what I feel. Not in everything else, I think a lot, but in this, I let my gut decide.
Is there anybody in your life who resembles the character that Ayushmann Khurrana plays? Do you know anybody who has that kind of trait in his personality where he's kind of impersonating, or even maybe a woman is impersonating as a man?
Actually, never. Nobody I know. And I mean, even if I think hard enough, also no. Never. So the fact that when this story came and this concept came, I actually asked them, I said, Socha kahan se? Because, of course, we've seen them play female characters, but I have not heard of this. Like, this was a little, and especially in a call a friend sort of office, when you have so many girls, why would you get a guy to do it? You just get a girl to do it, right? But yeah, so they did write it, but I don't know anyone in my life.
जब आपने पूछा कि सोचा कहाँ से, तो क्या कहा राइटर ने, कहाँ से सोचा?
वो राइटर राज है ना, उसने लिख दिया खुद के दिमाग से.
नहीं दिमाग से लिखा या फिर उसने के आसपास में कोई होगा शायद?
नहीं, he definitely thinks and knows that there was a story like that when someone guy did pretend. I don't know the name. He'd given the name also out in some interview. So the thought came to Raj from there, and then this process of writing, and then the film happened. So he definitely does know someone.
So right now you're doing many films.
Yeah, one.
Few of them.
Few. Not many.
And are you also flirting with the idea of doing OTT?
Actually, can I say that now here? Of course you can. Okay, I can't tell you what, but I have done something. It'll just come later.
But is it on ZEE5?
No. No, I'm so sorry.
If it is
But
not,
listen, my first offer was you guys, and Raghav knows that, wherever Raghav is, he knows that. Yeah, so, hi, yeah, he knows. So they did come to me with something, and I had, in fact, in principle, said yes to it. So my idea of wanting to do it has always been very open. It didn't happen. The show only is not got made even now, so not my fault. But I have done something not on ZEE5.
but on behalf of ZEE5, I can give you an offer that if you have a specific idea which is really mind-blowing, and if you think this is really going to be a winner, then you can approach Aparna and she might talk to the big boss.
Done. It's a deal.
What do you feel about this office? You know, whenever I come to an office like this, it is so lively and young and generating so much of excitement. Do you often visit these kind
I
of
didn't
places?
think this was an office. When I came in, I really thought it was like a nice sort of setup for a press con. So when I was like, oh, it's an office. It's amazing that this space is here and you guys are doing something like this in office. It's quite cool, guys. It's really cool.
Because you became an
Honestly,
actor.
I didn't think, it doesn't give an office vibe at all. It gives a very live event, happy sort of vibe. And you have this, like, I was like, wow, these guys are saying happy highs to me from far, and it's a very cool office.
Will this do? Aparna, you want more? Okay. So we will end it with a...
High five.
Yes.
I don't get any quiz questions, thank God.
You want quiz question?
No, please. I'm just wondering, Rohit, do you have anything to embarrass me now again? Good.
Rishi,
Yes.
you are doing a great job.
Thank you.
And थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए भी छोड़ देना हाँ? सब अच्छे जूम मत करो.
मैंने उनको बोल दिया माइक ही बंद कर देने का साथ में हमें देखा तो. Thank you Bhavna ji, thank you Nusrat.
And not just Rishi, you did a great job.
Oh.
You know, she was lively and wonderful when I did her interview after the film release or before the film release, and she continues to be this gorgeous girl. I see a great future for you.
Thank you.
Superb. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody, give a वर्कआउट भी करते हैं मैम इससे थोड़ा ऐसे. Thank you Nusrat, thank you Bhavna ji. We're just getting warmed up. There are a few more categories of awards remaining. Just say it on the mic.
I love your show, Rishi Kapoor.
You nice woman. Give her another award for that. Thank you, thank you. There's so much to ask you guys. ये लंबी इनिंग का घोड़ा होता है ना एक, वैसे हैं आप लोग, एंड आप इस घोड़े को हम तबड़क तबड़क ऐसा दौड़ा रहे हो. It must be challenging, no? क्योंकि इतनी लंबी रनिंग चीज को क्रिएटिव रखना कितना मुश्किल होता है.
एक्चुअली जो घोड़ा है वो हम लोग नहीं चला रहे, हम बस उस पर बैठ गए. सो घोड़ा चलाने वाले द गाइज यू सॉ, शबीर सर एंड श्रुति मैम, it's their show. They started the race. They've been there all the time. They were the ones who actually got this made. We are just trying to, carry forward their legacy, which is very hard though. Which is very hard because
There's a lot of responsibility because we are the new generation of Kumkum Bhagya, and Shabir and Sriti have made the show, and Kumkum Bhagya actually इस show में बहुत प्यार है और लोगों से बहुत प्यार मिला है. So it's all about love, and I think we have a fantastic channel, yeah. मतलब ZTV is like family, and yeah, of course, and ZEE5 again. I think OTT, the wonderful platform for even you can watch anything, absolutely television shows if you miss out on anything, or the BTS which fans really like to enjoy. I think these things, these little things make it what it is, and it's definitely most loved OTT, like Aparna ma'am just said, and we are really, really happy to be a part of it.
So the only ZEE5. Talking about ZEE5, my grandmother recently bought an Android phone, and she's around 80. I was like, why do you need this? You don't need an iPhone. So the only reason why she bought it was because she wanted to see the show on ZEE5. And all these fans we meet, all these fans, all these people who come up to us and tell us that we love your show, you are doing so great and everything. They come up to us and tell us, हम पहले TV पे देखते हैं, TV के बाद हम फिर Z5 पे देखते हैं. Z5 बोला नहीं जाता उनसे पर वो देखते हैं, which is so great. And I am glad. The cab driver.
Right now said Z5 पे देखते हैं, कुमकुम भाग्य देखते हैं Z5 पे.
So thank you Z5, because it's because of you guys only this show is accessibly available to everyone, and this has become so easy. You don't have to wait for 9 p.m. to watch it. I could barely watch us as actors also. We don't get so much time to watch our own shows, so we barely watch it on TV. Like the most of our shows we watch is on Z5 only. So it's a big thing and it's a very convenient thing. Thank you guys, and we hope and we pray it works out for long.
Fantastically like it has been. So yeah.
Thank you for this.
High five Z5.
High five Z5. And this award is clearly I'm mentioning in capital letters. This is for Shabir sir and Sriti ma'am. The entire team of Kumkum Bhagya and people associated with it. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Little mic fumble. Thank you so much, guys.
And if I was in that place, I would have been very comfortable and not let anything fiddle around. But it's Ekta ma'am who thought it through, who saw it through, and the one who actually saw it before anyone else, that it would work. And it did. So thank you. Thank you so much for seeing the potential, ma'am. And Balaji is amazing. Everything Balaji has is great. And Z5 too. Like. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Well done again. Both the categories are clean sweep. All the ticks done. Ekta ma'am, thank. Balaji, thank. Z5, thank. Let's move forward. Most viewed regional original series. There's a November category and continuing category, and they are as follows. Congratulations, and I'm sure the journey is really amazing. Just tell us a little about it, because this is a great platform also to celebrate so much original content coming from the rest of India also.
First of all, I'd like to thank the whole Z5 family, Tarun, Aparna, Prasad, the whole team who believed in the story. Gods of Dharmapuri. It's a story of a migrant family, who, yes. So it's about a migrant family which migrates to a mining town for better prospects, and how they become the most sought after family in the whole region. So it's an underdog story. It's a very riveting story. You should watch. It's also in Hindi along with Telugu. So we're very happy that we were given this chance to tell a story. And yes, it's been taken very well by the audiences, and it's been good. Yeah, in brief. But all of you, please watch God. It's regional. We're trying to promote regional also. I think that's what Aparna is also. I think the whole team of Z5. Please do watch. Thank you so much.
Very well done. The second category in the same category is the most viewed regional original series continuing. Continuing is Auto Shankar. Congratulations. Fun fact about Auto Shankar, they were actually going to enter in an auto, but the organizers saw me. They said, "Pehli stage pe tanker hai, abhi auto kya laenge?" So I'm going to ask Sarath Kumar to stay back on stage, because firstly, I wanted to... Bhavna ji is going to kill me. हाँ, मैं वही सोच रहा था, पहले director साहब से बात कर लेते कि it's just, it's amazing, you know, that I saw the trailer the first time in the most normal Hindi words, fat gayi. So how is it, because, you know, to make something like this is the new age of content, is something new.
Okay. Firstly, I would like to thank my producers, Manoj Paramamsa sir and Ravichandran, and my writer, Mr. Maniji, and the entire cast and crew. And also to, most importantly, Z5, because for accepting to execute the art in its purest form. You know, so thanks to them. So yeah, it's been quite a journey. It's a non-fiction story. It's a real life story, and it's a real life character. So it was a bit tough for us to get the permissions as well. So we have to mix up the facts and also the fiction of the screenplay. So it was quite a tough job there to convince everyone related to Otto Shankar. Some were even alive now. So we have to convince everyone and do this, and somehow we made it, I guess. I'm thankful to the entire team. Yeah.
You've done such a fab job.
Thank you.
This is brilliant. What can we look forward from your side?
With my side, it's a different journey. Maybe I'm actually pitching for a feature film, but then I'm also working something to pitch to Z5, which I'll be doing in a couple of months, I guess. So we've been talking to the team. Yeah.
Getting a feeling we're going to meet next year also for the award.
For sure. Yeah.
Thank you so much and
Thank
many
you.
congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll have to stay back on this stage.
Yeah.
He's so shy. जिन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा है, they might not agree, but मैं उनसे बोल भी रहा हूँ बैठने को, वो ऐसे भावना जी, I'm going to ask you to grace us again with another fire chat with Sarath Kumar. Yes. Can we have another mic, please? This is a lollipop, so it's not working. Yeah.
For original content, because any form of original content on any platform, for me, wins as a film critic a thumbs up compared to anything that is an adaptation or a copy or taken from Hollywood, because it means the filmmaker is lazy, which it is not the case here. So congratulations to the entire team of Otto Shankar.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations to Z5 for recognizing original content in different language and accepting and putting it on. So that's great. I remember reading about this, I think in the 80s in the newspaper. Is this an 80s story?
Of course. It was all over India. The news was all over India, I guess.
Yeah. And how did you think of turning this into a series?
Okay, it's basically a team effort, actually.
It's a movie.
No, it's a web series, yeah. It's 10 episodes with 30 minutes each. So,
whose idea was it to write it? The producer found the writer found the producer?
It was the idea of the writer, basically. He was a creative head as well. So, he was pitching to, we both been discussing, and mainly the associate producer, Mr. Manoj Pramsa, and the writer, they were both discussing on it, brainstorming on it. So we thought, a lot of other filmmakers have started this, but then for some reasons it has been dropped out. For a lot of reasons, actually. So it was a tough call for us, but then we wanted to do it some way or the other. If not for now, we couldn't do it any time. So we thought it's our time, and it's time of Otto Shankar to come back again alive. So we thought, okay, let's pitch it to Z5 and we'll see what's happening. And Z5 was very interested, I guess. So that's how it happened. It's a team effort completely.
How did you choose Sarath Kumar?
Sharath, through Angamali Diaries, of course. It's a Malayalam film. It's an epic film. It's a very artistic film. I mean, we can tell a lot about it. He has done a very important role in that, and a lot of people recognized him, and all over India, I guess, and that's how we recognized him. So, and for Otto Shankar, basically, the character Otto Shankar himself is a Malayali. So he has come from Kerala, and he has stayed in Vellore in Tamil Nadu, and he's a Malayali as well, and he had the looks basically to start with, because he has to look like Otto Shankar in the first place, and the second and the most primary thing is that the main lead has to act well, and I think he has done a great job, and that's how we selected.
So now, whatever I'm asking Sharath Kumar, let him speak in Malayalam, and then you translate it.
Yes, of course.
It is a very big challenge to play such a negative role, who is not loved at all by anybody, in fact feared. So don't you think that you were taking a big risk by accepting such a character? Were there any second thoughts in your head that probably you should not play this character? Malayalam.
Malayalam.
Bolo, Malayalam.
Malayalam
Sir.
Hello. Mic on.
Mic on.
First the
Talk to me. Okay. Don't feel shy. Take this phone.
Hi. First movie Angamali Diaries. ആ പടത്തിൽ வந்து നെഗറ്റീവ് റോൾ தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ எனக்கு என்ன கேரக்டர்னாலும் நெகட்டிவ் ரோல்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஆக்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு. அதனால தான் சூஸ் பண்ணது அந்த கேரக்டர்.
Okay. So basically he loves acting basically. So he personally he had a lot of trouble doing that character. Some industry people like criticizing about him as an actor and a lot of other public as well, but then he didn't hear to all of that. He wanted to do the character and he wanted to do it well, and he wanted to do it alive as the Auto Shankar himself. So he just loves acting, and that's what he's trying to explain.
So is this your first series on the OTT, and how has been the experience? It's your first exposure to the digital space?
Yeah.
How does it feel? How different it is from the big screen?
ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கு.
Don't tell him.
വെബ് സീരീസ് ഇത് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ്. ശരിക്കും തമിഴാണ് தெரியாதா? ஓகே. ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் தான் வெப் சீரிஸ் பண்ணிடுது. நான் இது ஆக்ட் பண்ணும்போது இது வெப் சீரியஸ் ஃபிலிம் அந்த மாதிரி நினைக்கவே இல்லை சத்தியமாக. ஆல்ரெடி சொன்ன 10 எபிசோடு இருக்குது. எனக்கு எபிசோடு அது வந்து எனக்கு தெரியல. ஸ்கிரிப்ட் என்ன அது மட்டும்தான் நான் யோசிக்கிறேன். தான் அதுக்கு எங்கே இது வெப் சீரிஸ் வந்து 10 எபிசோடு இருக்குது. எங்கே கட் பண்ணது எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. ஃபுல்லாக சப்ஜெக்டை ஃபுல்லாக ஆல்ரெடி ഞാൻ படிச்சிருக்கு. அதனப்புறம் தான் ஆக்ட் பண்ணேன். இப்போ வந்து கேரளாவில் வந்து ஆட்டோ சங்கர் C5 ரொம்ப ஹிட் ஆகிருக்காங்க. எல்லாரும் ஆட்டோ சங்கர் பார்த்தாச்சு அங்கே கேரளாவில். நிறைய பேர் C5 பற்றியும் கேரளா ஆட்டோ சங்கர் பற்றி நிறைய பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கு இப்போது. அதனால் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. அதை விட நிறைய லாங்குவேஜில் ஆட்டோ சங்கர் இருக்குது இப்போது. ஹிந்தி, தமிழ், தெலுங்கு, கன்னடா, எனக்கு தெரியாத லாங்குவேஜில் ஆட்டோ சங்கர் இருக்குது. அதெல்லாம் சார் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது.
So to start with, I mean, he from the start he didn't understand the concept of web series. Basically, a lot of us didn't in the first place, and thanks to C5 for introducing it as well to be starting with. And so I've been explaining. He's saying that I've been explaining him the story and all that. He couldn't accept the fact that it's going to be a 5-hour series, as in every 10 episodes and half an hour each. Then he understood the cliffhangers in it. Every episode has a cliffhanger, and it leads to the second episode. And every episode has an high in the start and the end as well. So he liked it in the beginning. And later on, he's happy about Auto Shankar doing very well in Kerala. So it has got him a very good reputation because of doing this character especially. And also, he's very happy about Auto Shankar doing well in all other languages, including Hindi. I think it's in Bengali as well. So a lot of other languages as well. He's happy about it.
And finally, how has been your experience with Z5? Would
Myself?
you be doing more series with
Myself?
them? Yeah.
Yeah.
You and he are together, no? In Auto Shankar?
Yeah, of course.
It is not a different series.
Of course not. So it's like we will be doing a lot of other series with Z5, and most of it will be originals, and it'll be contents that has to be every story has to be said aloud, right? So we are searching for contents that couldn't be happening anytime sooner in feature films, basically. So we have the creative freedom here, but we can't take that as an advantage as well. So we have to act responsible. So we've been creating a lot of contents, and very soon we'll be doing one more series with Z5 for sure.
So that's wonderful. Thank you very much, both of you. And I will say that Z5 is really a winner, because this is a fabulous idea to do this every month, and the race has begun. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. बड़ा अच्छा हेड हुआ है आपका. मेरे बालों में आधा किलो जेल लगा था, आप तो पूरी बॉटल ऐसे करके आएंगे. Many congratulations. A word about the award.
Thank you so much first of all, and thank you so much Z5, and first of all everyone. And actually इस फिल्म में मेरा एक सॉन्ग था, एक मुलाकात. हाँ, तो मैं 2 लाइनें उसकी गाना चाहता हूँ आप सबके सामने. सुनेंगे ना आप लोग? ओके. बहुत ही अच्छा माहौल है यहाँ का, तो थैंक यू.
Your award. देखिए मैं करवाना नहीं चाहता था, but because so would you do us the honors, please?
I knew that was coming. Before I do, I want to thank Z5 for this. Thank you so much. Really means a lot. I actually was quite surprised when I got the call that Dirty Girl has been doing so well. I had no idea, and it was a good surprise. And so this is for the entire team of Dirty Girl, and I'll just sing a couple of lines. Apparently, even when I was singing the song earlier, Labanshi knew all the words to it.
Krishna and Mugdar here. Perfect. Perfect timing. Bhavna ji, please.
Join us for
Thank you so much. Goodbye from me, Rishi Kapoor. Goodbye from Z5. And please join us some snacks on your right that look